Hi teacher, hi classmate. Today I'm going to talk about the water table, that it was the topic of the past Friday. First, the water table are groundwater that exists on the planet, are veins or freshwater streams, and not in all cases in have the same depth. It's variable because depending on groundwater sources and the level sea. But not only are these this factor affect the water table, are there are many different things and aspects. One of these is the if the soil is the more important of all. This water table may vary by various factors. Given the type of soil will be easier to extract the underground water or more difficult. This we need to think when we want to to work this ground for the agriculture because also will define if this water is easily absorbed to plant. In other words, if it's good soil for agriculture. Is this is the first that we need to think for what uh, need to this ground for construction buildings or to grow seeds for plant agriculture. After this, to know we need to know um, the look at the soil profile, their horizon, the color, and texture because are these aspects that and we must to have many attention because this factor and showing me the the quality of the ground. After that, we will focus on soil structure and porosity, including the water filtration, because in depend of this that the my plant absorb with more facility the groundwater or by the for the texture of horizon of my ground my plant not can absorb the water with more facility. Another important aspect we need to know is the saturation and saturation biochemical characteristic because these these quiz are showing the healthy of the ground. This quiz and we it with me a result of past time for the people can use of but use the excessive of fertilizant or an excessive use of pesticides that in two factor and can have a negative aspect for my ground because my plant is not going to be a development of a good way. Also, in concluded, the water table is a topic so important for to young and old agriculture that think to use this ground for different works. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, classmate. Have a nice day.